Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
Khalti has quickly become a go-to digital wallet for many in Nepal, simplifying everything from bill payments to mobile top-ups. But did you know there are also some clever ways to earn a little extra cash or save money directly through the app? It's true. Let's explore how you can start making the most of your Khalti experience and watch your balance grow. A very popular way to earn on Khalti is through their generous cashback offers. When you pay your utility bills, top up your phone, or even make certain merchant payments, you can get a percentage of your money back directly into your wallet. These are not just small amounts. Over time, these savings really accumulate, helping you reduce your overall expenses quite significantly. Khalti also has a fantastic referral program that lets you earn simply by sharing the app. When you invite friends or family to join Khalti using your unique referral code, and they complete their first transaction, both you and your friend often receive a bonus. It's a win-win situation, and a super easy way to add to your earnings just by spreading the word about a useful app. Beyond regular earnings, Khalti frequently runs exciting contests and special promotions throughout the year. These can range from daily challenges to major holiday campaigns, offering chances to win big prizes, exclusive discounts, or even significant cash bonuses. Always keep an eye on their official social media pages and in-app notifications. Participating in these can really boost your earnings unexpectedly. To truly maximize your earnings on Khalti, try to combine all these strategies. Make it your go-to app for all your digital payments. Actively look for cashback opportunities, and don't forget to share your referral link with friends. Staying updated on new promotions and contests will also give you an edge. With a little effort, Khalti can become a surprisingly rewarding part of your financial routine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.